Welcome to Study Loop.
For this question, we're looking at the distribution of dinosaurs across the land during their time period. So what's important to start off with here is the actual structure of the continents and land masses during the times of 200 to 250 million years ago. So at that time period, all of the land and continents were gathered together in one giant landmass that we term Pangaea. Pangaea meaning all of the earth or land. So it was gathered together all in one piece, with no water separation in between the land. Of course, as the years went by, we have our common structure we see today with our separated land masses and continents. So what's important to note about this is the discovery of different fossils that we have. So if we look at where fossils have been discovered in the world during recent times, we'll see that many of them are going to be gathered across the eastern coast of South America and along many regions of Africa, and that fossils between these two areas are very similar, containing similar organisms in the fossils from same time periods. And that implies that the Earth was actually gathered together as Pangaea during that time period, because the dinosaurs would die out in one area, and then later the land would start to split into its continents, dividing the fossils equally between these two parts. So we know that since this was one giant landmass, the dinosaurs would have been able to inhabit many different parts over this area. And because we can find fossils in many different areas of the world, including some parts of North America and several places in Asia. So that tells us that dinosaurs were distributed or lived over a large area. So with that in mind, the best answer choice to pick here is going to be A, that dinosaurs likely lived over a large geographic area, and that this can be proven by the existence of Pangaea, which allowed for fossils to be spread across the world through the breakup of continents of Pangaea itself.